Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy, Kids Hub, back with another video. Today, we're tackling a frustrating issue. OpenAI not working the way it should. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about ChatGPT. If you're just getting started with AI, it can feel like magic, but when it's not working, it can be a real productivity killer. The first thing you want to check are your updates. OpenAI is constantly rolling out new versions of ChatGPT with bug fixes, performance improvements, and even new features, so making sure you're on the latest version is key. Head over to the OpenAI website or wherever you access ChatGPT and check for any available updates. Next up, clear that cache and cookies. Sometimes your browser can hold onto old data that might be causing conflicts with ChatGPT. Just close out of ChatGPT completely and restart your session. If you've tried everything and you're still hitting a wall, don't hesitate to reach out to OpenAI support. Alright, now let's get a little more technical and talk about Python scripts. If you're using OpenAI's API to build something awesome, you know that debugging is just part of the process. The first thing you want to do is double-check your code. Even a tiny typo or a missing import can bring your entire script to a screeching halt. Make sure you have all the necessary dependencies installed. Use the pip install command to grab any missing libraries and get your project back on track. Consider using a virtual environment for a cleaner development environment. Trust me, it's a game changer. Chapter 3. API changes got you feeling lost. Let's face it, technology moves fast, and APIs are no exception. The key is to stay up to date with the official documentation. OpenAI is constantly improving its APIs, so always refer to the latest documentation to make sure you're using the correct syntax and endpoints. ChatGPT can actually be a huge help when it comes to dealing with API changes. Provide specific context about the changes you're seeing, the errors you're getting, and the specific API version you're using. This will give ChatGPT the information it needs to provide more accurate and helpful suggestions. Explore alternative endpoints, try different data structures, or reach out to the OpenAI community for help. Chapter 4. Avoid errors before they happen. Now before we wrap things up, let's talk about how to avoid running into these OpenAI issues in the first place. Sometimes the problem isn't with OpenAI itself, but with the way we're using it. When it comes to prompts, be specific. Tell ChatGPT exactly what you need using clear and concise language. Instead of saying write a poem, say write a short rhyming poem about the beauty of nature. If you're tackling a complex task, break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes it easier for ChatGPT to understand your intent and generate more accurate responses. Think of it as a conversation. You give it input, it gives you output, and then you refine your approach based on the results. Outro, level up your OpenAI game. So there you have it guys, a breakdown of the most common OpenAI problems and how to fix them. Hopefully you found this video helpful and you're well on your way to using OpenAI like a pro. Want to learn how to supercharge your OpenAI experience to create engaging scripts even faster? Check out this video next. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and share this video with your friends who might be struggling with OpenAI. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bonus tip: make AI work smarter for you. Want to take it to the next level? Learn how to supercharge your OpenAI experience using tools like Lex to create engaging scripts faster.